Tornadoes in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Clark County in south central Iowa, northeastern Ringgold County in south central Iowa, northwestern Decatur County in south central Iowa. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southeast of Sun Valley Lake, or 13 miles northeast of Mount Air, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flooding to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Clark, northeastern Ringgold, and northwestern Decatur counties, including the following locations: Grand River and Beaconsfield. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 27 and 28. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued at 3 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Decatur, and Ringgold.
Tornado watch number 534 remains in effect.